Various types of sentence part 2. Simple sentence, also called an independent clause, that have one subject and one verb. For example, he broke the glass. He is the subject, broke is the verb. Compound sentence, a sentence with at least two independent clauses that is joined by a coordinating conjunction. We use and voice to combine the two independent clauses. For example, I love coffee, I love tea. So we use and to combine two independent clauses, I love coffee and tea. Another example is Nina buy a novel because she loves reading. Complex sentence, one independent clause and at least one independent clause. Complex sentence use subordinating conjunction, although, because, if, since, until, when, even though. For example, we will not go fishing is the independent clause. It rains is dependent clause. So we use if to combine the independent clause and dependent clause. We will not go fishing if it rains. Clause. We have two types of clause, which is independent clause and dependent clause. Independent clause can stand alone as a sentence. For example, James ate banana. But for dependent clause, cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. Dependent clause have three types, which is adverbial clause, adjective clause, and noun clause. Example for adverbial clause: when the sun rises, we will escape. Example for adjective clause: the cake that she bought was delicious. For noun clause, what Megan wrote surprised her family. Adjective clause: a multi-word adjective that includes a subject and a verb. For example, the flowers we bought last week is a fake. We bought last week is the adjective clause. We is the subject, bought is the verb. Next, relative clause. The definition of relative clause is same with adjective clause. A multi-word adjective that includes a subject and a verb. For example, the cat that Toby saw yesterday was in the garden again. That Toby saw yesterday is functioning as an adjective describing the cat. The subject of the clause is Toby and the verb is saw. Present progressive tense, used for an ongoing action in the present. In present progressive tense, only use am is are. For example, Ali is playing badminton. For past progressive tense, used to describe an ongoing activity in the past. So we use was, were. For example, Sarah was baking a cake. For present perfect tense, an action that began in the past. Subject plus has or have plus past participle. For example, Amir has run 2 miles. Simple future tense, used for an action that will occur in the future. Will plus base form of the verb. For example, Lisa will write an essay. That's all for the part 2. Thank you for your attention. Bye.